Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to write a messenger note or delete a messenger note or leave a messenger note. If you want to write or delete or leave your messenger note, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it and then search Facebook Messenger. And then you can see Messenger, open it. And in this time you can update your Facebook Messenger. So click on it, update. And after update your Messenger, open it. And in this you can see my many Facebook friends write her note, and in this time you can easily write your Facebook Messenger note. So let's see how to do that. And then you can see your note, click on it, new note, and then you can see share a thought, and in this here write your note. And in this time I can write my note. And then you can see friends can see your note for 24 hours. People won't get a notification when you share. And then right top corner share option, click on it. And in this you can see my note showing everyone. And then open my write note, how are you everyone? So click on it. And in this you can see my note, how are you everyone? And then you can see leave a new note. So click on it. And in this here write again your new note, and then go back, and then you can see delete note option. If you want to delete your messenger note, so click on it and then go back. And in this way you can easily write your Facebook Messenger note and again write your messenger note and delete your Facebook Messenger note. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.